Freely I receive and freely I will give. That is my slogan anytime I'm asked to share the little knowledge I have. Hello everyone, this is Rosemary aka Rosie Rose in the building. Yeah, I'm excited to see you all this beautiful week, and I'm here to share my Doughnut Filling recipe, the vanilla filling recipe, and everything you'll be needing will be written in the caption, but just follow and listen carefully. So I am using this Dream Whip heavy cream, and this is what I can get here in Canada where I am. You can use any other one you get from your store or your local shop near you. So everything we'll be using is 2 cups. To make this recipe, I'll be using 2 cups of heavy whipped cream. Yes, 2 cups. You can now do the division whenever you want to make smaller batch, and we'll be needing 3/4 cup to 1 cup of cold water, very cold water, emphasis on cold. If you look at my water, I have ice in there. So I first of all measured 3/4 cup, and later in the long run I added a little bit of water just to make it 1 cup. Because of this product I'm using, I don't know the strength of the other product you'll be using. So while I pour in my cold water, I started whisking. You need a hand whisker or a stand whisker to make this. You have to whisk until it gets to a stiff peak. At this point, I hope you have liked, you have commented, and you've subscribed to my channel. Please do well to turn on the notification so that you get notified whenever I post my video. Thank you all, and God bless you. So get your clean spatula and scrape the side into the bowl and start whisking again. You have to whisk until it forms a stiff peak. You will know it's ready when you raise your whisker and the milk did not drop. Yes, this is how your filling should look like after whisking for some time. So while we are done, we'll be using 2 cups of powder milk, full cream, skim milk, any one that you have, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, and half cup of condensed milk. Yes, that is what we'll be using for this recipe. You can adjust to whatever way you want depending on the quantity and the recipe you are making. You can tweak it and make yours like that. So at this point, I hope you have turned on your notification and you have shared my video. You have liked and dropped me a nice comment and say, well done, Rosie. Yes, thank you for staying by. Thank you for watching up to this point. In fact, I'm glad you are watching. I'm happy, I'm grateful, and God bless you very well. So while you're done, you have to whisk this until the powder and everything melts. Yes, you don't want to be eating your donut and be getting the crumbs, milk crumb inside. So I was done mixing everything. I just have to clean my surface because I don't want transfer or cross-contamination and the rest. So when you are done, get your piping bag. If you have a very big piping bag, fine and good. I don't have a big one. Secure it with any cup you like, glass cup or whatever. The most important thing is it is secured. Scoop your whipped cream into your piping bag and keep it in your fridge. Just scoop into it and tie it with anything you have, like a rubber band. Like here, I use rubber bands to secure my own. Keep that in your fridge. Make sure you keep it in your fridge, else your whipped cream will become watery. It doesn't need hot place to stay. Your whipped cream need a very cool place to cool down its temperature. You have to pamper it. So as I said, you have to pamper your milk filling. Your milk filling needs cool temperature. It doesn't need anything hot at all. You must put it in your fridge for it to cool and settle down. Yes. Now I was done scooping everything. This was the last piping bag I made. I'm just going to tie that. It's not much. Secure it very well, and our milk filling is ready. Have you subscribed to my channel? Have you turned on your notification? Have you dropped me a nice comment? Have you said, Rosie, well done? Thank you all. I know you have done that. God bless you so much for joining my community, and we'll all grow together. Yes, I'm very sure of that. So I placed my milk filling in my fridge and came back to my donut. You remember our donut recipe I shared the last time? This is our donut. I'll be sharing a detailed recipe in my next video. That is the reason why you need to turn on your notification. Yes, so I just rub my milk to my donut and place them in my tray. Allow it to cool down, poke hole in them, and start filling it with my milk filling. Your donut must be cold before you put in your milk filling, else it's going to melt, and we don't want a running milk filling while eating our donuts. You know why you eat your donut and it's stiff inside, you see the filling looking all rich and fluffy inside. It is because your donut was cold completely before filling it. Yes, that is what we want to achieve here. Trust me, you're going to enjoy every process of it, even though it's stressful. Filling this donut with all the love and all the cheerfulness you have in you is going to make it easy and peasy. Thank you all so much for your love. I appreciate you all, and God bless you, as I'll be seeing you in my next video in good health, mind and body. Thank you. Bye-bye. I love you. God love you more.